Today, we're diving into Agno, a platform that positions itself as an AI agent framework for developers. But with so many options out there, does it really deliver? Let's find out what makes Agno stand out or not. Agno is designed to simplify the process of building AI agents, allowing developers to create, customize, and deploy intelligent agents with relative ease. The interface seems user-friendly, which is a plus for those who might not have extensive experience with AI development. You can build agents that interact with users, automate tasks, and gather data, which sounds promising. However, as I explored the site, I noticed some areas that felt a bit vague. For example, while they mention scalability and integration with various APIs, there aren't many specific examples or case studies to back this up. It feels like they're offering a lot of potential, but without concrete details, it's hard to gauge how effective it truly is in real-world applications. Overall, if you're a developer looking for a flexible solution, Agno might pique your interest, but you might want to dig deeper before fully committing. Let's talk about the pros and cons of Agno. On the plus side, the framework appears to be quite flexible and could save developers a lot of time in building AI agents. The user interface is intuitive, making it accessible for those new to the field. On the downside, the lack of detailed documentation and examples could be a major hurdle. Developers often rely on solid resources to troubleshoot and innovate, and without them, Agno might feel limiting. Additionally, there's a question of trust without enough user feedback or reviews. It's hard to know how the platform performs in practice. This might not be the best fit for teams needing robust support or extensive resources, but for smaller projects or developers willing to experiment, it could be worth a shot. In conclusion, Agno offers an interesting approach to AI development, especially for those looking to create custom agents. However, the lack of transparency and detailed resources could leave some developers wanting more. If you're willing to navigate some uncertainty for flexibility, it might be worth a try, but proceed with caution.